Here are our hits from our nonprofit break, including 2 hobby boxes of 2023 Topps Finest Baseball. Starting off, Sky Blue Refractor, Brandon Crawford, numbered out of 300. Oswald Peraza, numbered out of 300. Gabriel Moreno, numbered out of 250. Jose Altuve, numbered out of 199. Oswaldo Cabrera, numbered out of 125. Jacob deGrom, Green Refractor, numbered out of 99. Matthew Liberatore, Gold Refractor, numbered out of 50. Oswald Peraza, Auto. Mark Vientos, Auto. Ezekiel Duran, Rookies, Auto. And a Marcus Semien, Orange, Auto out of 25. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.